What's going on, y'all? Thanks for tuning back in to the Derek Hallman Motovlog channel. Ray was nice enough to bring me a YZ125 to rep so I can get that two-stroke itch. It's a 2005 Yamaha YZ125. He's got a Electron Billetron carburetor on it, some foot pegs, pro circuit pipe. Yeah, full pro circuit pipe. I gotta adjust these levers for sure. All right, we think, can we make this throw onto the chair? Bruh. She got that classic YZ125 sound, man. Woo! Dude, YZ125 is light as a feather, baby. I'm not used to a YZ125, so I don't know how far I'm supposed to rev these things out. I don't want to rev it out too far and blow up a buddy's bike, you know? She sounds good. She's not very fast, but what do you expect? It's a YZ. It's a YZ125, man. I swear, I'm making so much noise on this thing, but I don't feel like I'm going fast. Oh yeah, barely got enough power to make it over that thing, man. If you watch my videos, you know I have a KTM 150. My KTM 150 has so much more power than this thing. It's crazy how fast my KTM 150 is in comparison. I swear, the one thing I always worry about when riding other people's bikes is messing it up. And especially on carbureted bikes like this two-stroke, I never want to be riding a bike that's not jetted perfectly and like blow it up because it's too lean or something. It seems like it's okay. I'm just not used to a YZ125, so I don't know how it sounds. Like, y'all got to tell me if you have a YZ125. Does this sound good or does it sound... Oh yeah, I gotta be revving it way out like that. Oh, that was better. Into the corners, I gotta be like on the throttle, high in the RPM. Gotta ride this thing revved out. Shifting like crazy, up shifting, down shifting. Let's go. Pop the clutch, get her revved up. Knows that a YZ125 ain't the fastest bike, but damn, it's a playful bike. Like, it's so light and so fun. One thing that's difficult on these 125s is staying in the perfect gear all the time. I gotta stay right in the meat of the power always. better. Right gear. Yamaha two-stroke, I definitely go with the YZ125 for that added power, that torque. Oh man, it's fun romping around on a super lightweight YZ125 like this. Whoa! I feel like this thing drifts into the corners. Alright, what do y'all think? In terms of KTM versus Yamaha two-strokes, which one would you pick? I think I'm picking Team KTM for the small bores. Oh! Dude, I'm gooning. I'm riding like an absolute idiot. This thing seems like it'd be really hard to ride on a track that's deeper than this. I'm riding on like concrete, so it's easy to rev this thing up fast. But if you get onto a deeper track, man, you're gonna be working this bike for every pony that it has. Not bad. I used to think that the YZ125 was like the best, most playful bike that you could buy. I don't know, man. My KTM 150's got it beat, I think. I just like the power of my 150. It feels like it revs out further. The mid-range hit is a whole lot harder. Because overall, the 150s, I love it. Hope you guys enjoyed that little test ride. I felt like I rode it like an idiot. So, because I've been riding my YZ250F all day, and I'm just used to the four-stroke now. But I definitely got to say I like my KTM 150 better than the Yamaha. These things have good suspension. The KYB just feels nice and comfy, but the motor on my KTM 150 blows this thing out of the water. Yeah, so if you're thinking about power-wise and getting a KTM versus Yamaha, definitely go KTM. I hope you enjoyed that little test drive video. If you did, please leave it a thumbs up. And if you want to leave me a comment, positive or negative, head on down to the basement and that's where I'll see it. Otherwise, I'll see you guys next time. Peace.